Beautiful new word, PASSERINE, perching, brackets, bird. Well, that's disappointing. Nothing to do with being serene. The opposite, I imagine, if one is a bird. So I am passerine, perched on a branch laden with provisos. Don't mix, don't kiss, don't mate, don't flock, don't whatever you do, roost at dusk in clouds of black, feathers brushing as you jostle to be passerine. Spend your days in industry, tend your nest. Danger, danger. Inspect each twig, each mote of moss, dust for disease. Do this or grow thin, lose those plumes, flip from your perch, drop, drop, down onto leaf mould. Be consumed by your diet of choice.